Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 506, that is the relative blanks, and in this we'll be given an integer array score of size n, where score I is the score of the ith athlete in a competition, and all the scores are granted to be unique, and all the athletes are placed on their scores, where uh, the first place athlete has the highest score, second place has the second highest score, and so on. Okay, so what we have to do is we'll be given like this rank array. This is 5 4 3 2 1, and the player with the highest rank will be given the gold medal, then the second highest will be given the silver, then the third highest will be given the bronze medal, and so on. Like the uh, person who is at let's say this is the name of the person, the player whose name is second, he is on the fourth position, so at that particular index we have to return 4, and the player whose name is 1 came at the fifth position, so that's why we have to update it with 5, and we don't have to maintain the index. Like for example, in the next test case would be easy to understand. The highest scorer of the person, let's say the person who wins the race, his name is 10, so at the place where 10 is placed we have to update it with gold medal. The place where the second highest, that is 9, is placed, we have to update it with silver medal. And the person who came third, let's say his name is 8, and it's also the third highest, so we have to place it with bronze medal. And the person who came fourth is also having the name fourth only, so we have to do fourth. And the person who came fifth is the name of and his name is person, let's say 3, so that's why we have to update it with 5. Okay, so for this, firstly we'll be creating a priority queue as well, to keep, so that it will be easy for us to find which player is on the top. And so just for this, we'll be having a class pair as well to store the relative indexes as well. So for this, we'll be having int val and index. Let's write its constructor, that is int val int index. So this dot val is equal to val, and this dot index is equal to index. Okay, so now let's have a priority queue, and let's say of, oh sorry, pair, my add pair. Let's call it max heap, that is equal to new priority queue, and we'll be sorting it on the basis of their values, basically a comma b. So we'll have to do b dot val minus a dot val. Okay, and now we'll just update the values in the priority queue, so that for int I equal to 0, I less than score dot length I plus plus, and we'll be adding max heap dot add new pair of score I. And okay, so on the top we'll be having the first player, and similarly while we'll be keeping popping off, we'll be having our answer. So let's have the string array answer, that is equal to new string of size score dot length, and also let's have a place variable, like which person is coming on which place. So initially the topmost person on the priority queue will be having the place number 1, and then while not my max heap dot is empty, so what I'll be doing is I'll be popping off the pair. So let's pair, that is equal to max heap dot pool, and then I'll be adding certain things, that if my place is equal to 1, that is on the top of the max heap. So for that, what I need to do in my answer array, at the pair dot at that particular index, what I need to do, I need to add that the person has earned the gold medal at that particular index. Else if I'll be checking that if place is equal to 2, what I'll be doing is at the that particular index of the person, I'll be updating it with silver medal. Then else if my place is equal to 3, in that case I need to do it with answer pair dot index, that will be equal to a bronze medal. else at every place I just need to update the current rank period or any, that will be equal to string dot value of my current place. And in this while loop I'll be just doing a place plus plus, and at the end let's return the answer array. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this worked. Thank you for watching.